What guys, I'm back. Guys, again here. It's called exploding arrows, guys. As you can see, it's only my one command, guys. So as you can see, I download this on my arcade, or you can find the link in the description below if you want to get my profile and just download it. MCPE available. No. Let's go skip all of that. So there's my command block here. And guys, tutorial is included, guys. Tutorial if you wanna. Let's go take a showcase. So to activate, this is only the one command. As you can see, there's a window here, there's a sound there. So as you can see, if I activate this thing, it just works. But the parents have to turn on. But when the bow just shot the arrow, example, I'm gonna shot the sheep. And as you can see, found arrow. And wait, at the game rule. Sorry guys, my sister and my friend is playing my game rule command block output. Oh wait.
I think we need to kill ourselves.
Put false. There it is. And as you can see, guys. Oh, I forgot. So you make sure to clear the arrow, and if you do this again, the TNT will spawn. So guys, see that's awesome, right? Pulls that shot to here. Or far away. You can use this as your PvP. Like if you're shooting a friend, if it's failure, they didn't see the guys. Let's go. So let's focus the commands inside them. So I'm gonna delete those. Oh crap. I just deleted my command.
Wait, did you just get a ladder? Yeah, I said the bit.
I just accidentally get the command block, guys. So because I just got it. So guys, I just go.
It's a teamwork. Said Barbie said.
So this first command is test for an entity and type TNT. Look at that, guys. So and next one is called summon TNT. As you can see, the summon is there, but it will never stay here. So go here. Go to and there it is. TP command. So block TNT to arrows. As you can see, I just see that there's a TNT there. Now look closely. The TNT will. Oh wait. Turn it off. There you go. Now if you wanna see, it's just gonna turn on the thing. Oh wait, it's arrow.
Oh no,
So as you can see that it's into this tutorial, guys. So I'm not sure if this is hard or not. So let's get started. Now guys, so the first thing we should do is to grab ourselves a material. So guys, here this is the materials comparator, rigid repeater, and a command block. Then go here, type test, for entity, type arrow. You can use arrow.skeleton. Now guys, if you want to see this repeat here, now if you want to always act it on or off, so on, that's on. Now as you can see, this if we go a bow, it just turn on, and it just next time I have to turn it off. Now I have to turn it off, guys. Sorry guys, somebody's telling me. So guys, I have to very quickly. Oh my god, I still hear it. There you go. Now, I wanna take this to you guys. Thank you guys for watching all of these tutorials. Now here, it must be summon T. over here, get a repeater here. Get a block here. And get this TP T type entity TNT to type arrow. Now if you test this out, guys, it'll work. So guys, now if you wanna make it always active, you can also do that too. Then as you can see, guys, when it's gonna, and as you can see, it just turned on the whole thing. See that, guys? Now if the must be turned off because it shall work out. So thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy my channel, and make sure to leave a like and and see you guys next time. Bye guys.